Okay guys, this is going to be your assignment. I'm gonna go ahead and do a cartoon character for you guys. It's very simple, very fast. Follow along each step. We're gonna start in the center of our paper, kind of on the upper half, okay? We're gonna do a circle. Doesn't have to be perfect, okay? I'm gonna draw light so I can erase when I need to. After I draw this circle, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of drop down almost like a hexagon shape, right? And that's gonna be your chin line. So that's gonna be your head or your cranium and your chin line, right? Where your mouth goes. So in that little area right here, I'm gonna draw kind of like a U, and then a little C and a backward C, and that's gonna be your nose. Once you're inside this cranium or circle, just to give you guys a little perspective line, right? Line straight down, line straight across. We're just doing a flat image. We are not doing anything that is kind of three-dimensional where if it was turned, it would be different perspective lines. So it's just gonna be very flat for today, okay? Once you're done doing that, you're gonna do almost like a sideways 6, right? And that's gonna be his mouth. That's gonna be the expression. If you wanna fill that in, you can fill that in. If you wanted to be a little funny, you can probably give him a little stash. And then if you wanted to do a beard, do a beard, okay? And now I'm gonna go ahead and do the eyes. The eyes are gonna be right in this little area right here, okay? So I'm gonna do kind of like a lowercase n. I'm gonna make this side come down to that line, keep this one a little higher. And then you're gonna do kind of like a U shape here. And you're gonna go on the other side and do a very similar shape. Boom, finish that. Your eyes, they can go pretty much anywhere that you want. I'm gonna do them kind of close because that kind of mimics the look that he's giving. Kind of like this shocked or curious like look. Okay, hair, you can do whatever you want to do with the hair. I'm gonna do this. I am going to do almost like a U shape. And I'm going to flick that up like an S. Follow that over, okay? Kind of like a Superman curl. Then I'm gonna take that, and that's gonna be kind of like the part in his hair, and it's gonna go over. I'm gonna stop it right around here. I did forget to draw the ears. I was supposed to draw the ears first, so let's go ahead and do that now. They're gonna be right next to your eyes, right? And they are going to be kind of small on one side and on the other. They don't have to be perfect. Once you do that, you're gonna draw another one on this side. It can be wavy. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's hair. Okay. Next thing you're gonna do is you're going to draw kind of a curve here and a curve here. These curves kind of come back over and go kind of up, right? And then they can kind of bend in, and then you can finish it like that. Very simple way to make hair. You're gonna give the eyebrows kind of like a shocked look. You can keep them very thin like this, or kind of give a little bit of a teardrop shape as well. Your nose, if you draw a little lowercase n type shape there, that will work, and that'll give you more of the shape of the nose. Now, we have this box shape, right? And what I want you to do is follow this line, right? Follow this line here and meet it up there. That kind of gives you the draw line Boom, perfect. Draw a hook. And then a little C. Backwards hook. And a C. All right, now let's do the body. The body's even easier. It's super, super simple. Long, skinny neck. Just kind of fits his character. He's got a long head. A U shape to finish that, and that's gonna be his collar of his shirt. Kind of droops down. His shoulders kind of droop down. Then you're gonna go up in here. 2 lines. Cut that off. Finish that sleeve, cut that off. Finish that sleeve, cut that off. So there's your shirt. Shorts are very similar. Two sticks. 2 bottoms, like a little L and a backwards L. Carrot. And then we can do the legs. This guy's very exaggerated and very skinny and tall. The feet are gonna do something similar like this, watch. Line. Boom. They don't have to be perfect. Arms, 2 lines like this, kind of going towards the waist. And again, this is exaggerated. I'm going to draw a pocket here and a pocket here. And then an easy way to get out of drawing hands is to put his hands in his pocket. Now, I did draw this dark. I didn't draw it as light as my foundational drawings up here, okay? But you can erase inside that arm and inside that arm so that the pants don't go through the arm. There you have it. If you want to go ahead and darken it, color it, go ahead. And that is the assignment for the day.